The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. An arsenal was hit by high-precision, long-range, sea-based weapons in Brody in Lvov region, where significant stockpiles of weapons, military equipment and munition from Western countries was delivered and stored. Military command and energy facilities have been hit by high-precision weapons used by Russian aerospace forces in Kiev and Kharkov regions. The enemy made 3 unsuccessful attempts to attack Russian positions towards Kupiansk. Russian artillery fire halted and eliminated the advancing Ukrainian units on the far approaches. Over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored combat vehicles and 4 pickup trucks have been eliminated. Total 322 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,226 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,753 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,473 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,560 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.